How to disable cellular data roaming on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can disable cellular data roaming on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, cellular data is a very useful thing that you can turn on when you don't have access to the Wi-Fi but you still want to connect to the internet. Your SIM network provider actually gives you that option. But there's also another feature called cellular data roaming, which is actually going to occupy a lot of data in the process. And if you want to turn off cellular data roaming, what you have to do is first of all open settings. And then what you want to do is just go to the tab that says cellular. Once you go to cellular over here, in this case I'll just turn on my cellular data, and here you can see cellular data options, right? All you have to do is just turn off the toggle next to cellular data roaming in order to turn off cellular data roaming and disable it on iPhone. That's all it takes to disable cellular data roaming on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.